Hello Libras, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your November month reading regarding your person's current feelings, and this will be general and short message for you. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And here, let's start your reading. Here I'm having three cards for you. First is Strength, the Star card, and the Eight of Swords. Here I'm seeing that your person is trying to gather their strength, or maybe they are trying to be strong to heal themselves. Maybe they are going through some kind of disease, or maybe injury, or some they need some kind of healing. That's why they are making themselves strong. They need their strength of their body. That's why they are trying to heal their whatever they are going through right now. If there's a healing health issues, they are trying to be. So your person is trying to make themselves stronger if there is a health issue with them, but they think that it cannot be healed. So this is their negativity of their mind. That's why there will be a delay in their healing process. Or if they want to heal this connection, if you people are in a breakup situation, so this person is trying to make this relationship strong and heal the situation, but they thinks that it cannot happen right now. Or it's like that, if your person is trying to do something to make their biggest wish granted, they are trying to make themselves strong, and they are trying to gather their strength to get their wish fulfillment this time. But they think that this wish cannot be granted to them because they are not able, or so. This is their negativity. This is the negativity of their mind, that they cannot get their biggest desire. So another card is Four of Swords here. If there is a health issues, your person needs to take some rest here, so that they can get their strength back and they can heal. But their negativity of their mind is telling them, if they will rest, they will not get their biggest desire, and they will not get their strength back in their maybe work situation, maybe in their love life situation. Or maybe your person is taking some time to take some decisions, and these delays are because of their negativity of their mind. So that's why they are taking time, and they just don't want to think any more about it. Or maybe they are just taking time to make a decision. That's why there are delays. And or maybe they just want to heal their themselves, like if they are hurt because of your breakup, so they need some time to heal, then they will come to forward to you and talk. But this time they are not talking, so there are some delays because of their negativity of their mind. So this is your person's current feeling. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.